Hi, let's learn how to do multi-level sort. In a previous recording, I showed you how to sort by a single field, for example, by this sales ID. You can simply click on any of the fields here, go to the Data tab, and then click on Sort Smallest to Largest or Largest to Smallest. What if you were asked to sort by two fields? First by the day of the week, and then by amount. And so to do this, you can go back again to the Data tab, click on Sort. And so we want to sort first by the day, and then by, so we need to add a level. So we click on Add Level. Then we want to sort by the amount. Let's leave things as is for now. So I want to sort by day, then by amount, order, smallest to largest or A to Z. Click OK. So you see we're sorting by the day of the week alphabetically. So it's going to go from A to Z. And then by amount from smallest amount to largest amount. But sometimes, like in this case, you cannot simply go with the alphabetical order. Like, you see how it goes from Friday to Monday to Saturday. And so we want to sort by the correct order of the days of the week. And let's say for amount, we want to go from largest amount to smallest amount. So if you go to sort again, we want to sort by day, but for the order, we're going to go on we click on the drop-down list, we're going to do custom list. And you see one of the options here, which is the third one from the top. It has what we want. We want to sort by the correct order of the days of the week. You can add a new list for your own custom order, but we already have what we need. We click OK, and then for amount, we want to sort from largest to smallest. You click OK. You see it's going to go from Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and that's the correct order. And for each day, we sort by amount from the largest amount to the smallest amount.